everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you a beautiful PR packaging that I received from BH Cosmetics, and oh my god, I have some swatches in my hand already, and look at this beauty. Oh my god. This is so cute. This is the Weekend Festival packaging. Oh wow, look at these colors, they are so cute, and I'm gonna show you what is inside. So here in this press kit I have for you some brushes and a palette. So this is the palette that I received, the Weekend Festival by BH Cosmetics. Look at these colors, they are so beautiful. I love the packaging, I think it's so fun and amazing. The colors are very blendable and buttery. Some of them are a little bit dry for me. Ooh, but look at this pigmentation. Oh my god, they are so good, as you can see. Let's try a matte eyeshadow. Woo! Very good, I love it. Has some shimmery eyeshadows and some colorful matte eyeshadows as well. The eyeshadows are very pigmented, very blendable. It's very easy to use. As any eyeshadow, it has some fallout. I think my favorite in this palette is this green right here. I really like it. I think it's a very neon shade. Neon is the right name of this eyeshadow, but I think it's so beautiful. And whoa, look at the swatch of this color. I like it so much, and I think it works really well in the eyes. So let's see what happened in the tutorial. So here I also have some brushes. They are so fluffy. I love how soft it is, especially the face brushes. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on this palette, and I'm gonna use these brushes today to show you how they work. And now I'm gonna show you these babies. They are the eye lights. They are some liquid eyeshadows and they are very glittery. I love it. I have the swatches here in my hand. So here we have a silver eyeshadow, and this is very pigmented. With just one swipe you can have a lot of color and a lot of glitter as well. And if you apply the eyeshadow in your lids and blend it, it looks so beautiful. So you can use it as it is, or you can use it on top of a eyeshadow that you like. It's the most pigmented of all of them. I like this one, but it's silver, is a very normal shade. I also love this blue eyeshadow. I think it's the most beautiful. It's kind of ocean blue, has some gold glitters in the blue eyeshadow. I don't know, I love it so much. I also love this kind of violet purple shade, but I have to apply more than one time to have this true color of the packaging in my eyes. It's not so pigmented, so I have to apply a lot of product. With a lot of this product in the eyes is not so beautiful, so I prefer to apply this product, especially this shade, on top of the eyeshadow that I like. Next I have a light yellow shade, and this is very cute, but I like more this shade to apply right on top of any other eyeshadow because this has the same problem as the previous one. I also have this gold shade. This is amazing and is very pigmented, just like the silver. And I also have this very different shade. It's like a very transparent pink base with blue reflects on this purple. Oh my god, I love this color. It's not very pigmented, but it's pigmented enough so I can apply only one time in my eyelids and look good as well. So let's get started in the eye makeup tutorial. I already have my skin and my brows done. Now I'm gonna do the eyes with you guys using this palette and the brushes. Okay, so I just pull my hair back, and now I'm gonna zoom you in together here with me closer, and we're gonna do the eye makeup look. I tried to remove the swatches in my hand with micellar water, and I feel like I'm gonna be glittery for the rest of the week. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I'm very glittery yet. Oh, hello! So I'm gonna start off applying a eyeshadow base, and today I'm gonna use the Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC, and I'm gonna apply this product using my clean finger. Let's see how my look came out, because I have no idea of what I'm gonna do today. So now, using the pencil brush from the brush set, I'm gonna apply this orange shade. I'm gonna start off applying this shade from the outer corner, blending to the inner corner. And this shadow is very pigmented, has a little bit of fallout right here, as you can see. This is not good. So I'm gonna remove with a fluffy brush, the same that I applied powder in my face, because I have my skin done already. Woo! Okay, so now I'm gonna start blending to the inner corner, this beautiful shade. And I'm gonna try to not bring it too up to the brow bone. I wanna keep this eyeshadow low as possible. I applied the shade above of my crease, just oh god, just a little bit, because I want to create a beautiful cut crease in my eyes today. So I'm gonna grab now the blending brush of the brush set and just diffuse this color a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same in the other side. So nowadays I had to do some videos without any voiceover and without any voice as well, just with the music in the background. And these videos was my DIY series, because I don't know if you can hear, but I have a lot of noise outside of the apartment that I'm living now. And this pisses me off really, because I have to make the videos for you guys and I can't, because I'm living in a big city and the noise just don't stop. So I'm living a crazy lifestyle now, and I'm recording in 3 AM here in Brazil. Yes. This is too late, I should be sleeping, but that's okay for you guys. We are 1 million subscribers, by the way, and I just want to thank you so much. I just want to thank you so much, guys, because it's unbelievable. Oh my god, really, I never thought one day I could have 1 million in my YouTube channel, really. Bit more on this side. Be careful with the fallouts, always remove best as you can if you have your skin done already. The next color that I'm gonna use when I finish to blend this one is the shade Swag. It's so beautiful. I love this kind of purple shade. It's very glam purple. Oh! And to apply this shade, I'm gonna use the angled brush. So I'm gonna place it right here. And this shade will help me to create more dimension in this makeup look. And once you have this color placed, you have just to blend with the same pencil brush that I was applying the orange shade. I have as a guide my brows, but this eyebrow here is a little bit higher than this one, as you can see. So it's kinda hard to do a cut crease in my eye. Make it close as possible, both of the eyes. Always remember, what is important is the end result. So I hope that you can understand me what I'm saying, because English is not my birth language. I am from Brazil and I speak Portuguese here. I also speak a little bit of Spanish, but I have been learning English studying from internet. And yeah, so I hope that you can understand what I'm saying, or at least trying to say. It's the first time that I do a review on a product in my channel, in a PR packaging to be specific, and I hope that you like it. So tell me in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. So here with the same brush without any product, I'm gonna just blend the purple into the orange shade. The mix of these colors are so beautiful. Tell me in the comments what you think, and also tell me in the comments what you want to see next in my channel. Okay, so this is what I have for the eyes till this moment, and I don't have a thin brush enough to clean up the eyelid using the same eyeshadow base that I was using before. I just have this angled brush that I already used it with the purple shade. So to clean up the eyelid, I'm gonna use this angled brush by Sigma, and this is a cut crease brush with the same paint pot as before. Okay, grab just a little bit of product, and where is my mirror? Oh, right here. Okay. What I love the most in the eyeshadows of BH Cosmetics and all the products as well is that everybody can have it because it's so affordable, and the formula are so great. As you can see here in the eyeshadows, they are so pigmented. So if you still don't know this product and you are interested, go check it out. I'm gonna put the links here in the description box for you guys. So now I'm gonna just do the same thing in the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I done to clean up the eyelid, I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow and I'm gonna use the shade Spirit. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna just place this color all over the lid. So as you can see, the shadow that I use in the eyelid is so beautiful to use as highlighter as well. I really love this color. I think it's so soft and icy. So now I'm gonna do a cat eyeliner. I don't know what I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna go for the same purple that I was using. I don't know, I'm gonna use the gel liner Wicked by Sigma and I'm gonna search for it because it's not here with me. Okay, I'm back. The battery of the camera finished and I had to change it. Now I'm gonna do the eyeliner with the eyeliner brush that comes in the set, and I'm gonna create the same cat eyeliner as I did in this eye right here. I also finished the lower lash line. Oh my god, I forgot to leave a little space to use one of the highlights, but I don't know which color I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna apply what is left in the brush in the lower lash line as well, just to complete the eyes. And right on top of the black eyeliner in the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply a purple eyeshadow. And here right beside of the tear duct area, I'm gonna apply the orange shade. I'm back. So I just noticed that my camera wasn't filming, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. I just applied my fake lashes Winging by Velour, and I also applied one more eyeshadow, and this is the shade Trixie, to highlight below my brows and in the tear duct area as well. So I really love how it turned out, and I decided that I'm gonna apply the highlights in the lips to show you how it works, because we already have the swatches in my hand in this video. So now I decided to show you a different way. So I'm gonna back the focus of the camera to the whole view and then you can see what I'm doing next. So now in my lips I'm gonna apply a liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Marcia, also by BH Cosmetics. It's a more nude shade and I really love the color. I think goes so well with this colorful makeup look. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit in the center of my lips and blend with my fingers, because I want to have just a little bit of product in my lips so I can apply a good amount of shimmer, so you can see. This lipstick is so beautiful. I like this color. So now while it dries, I'm gonna apply a blush in my face in the shade Honolulu Hideaway. This one is very beautiful and I love this blush, but it's so pigmented, so go adding a little at a time. Oh my god, I think it's too much. I told you this is very pigmented. Looks like I just had a slap in my face. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but here is crazy. So I'm gonna just try to make it softer with a beauty blender and the rest of foundation left here. Oh my god, it's not working. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply a highlighter in my face, and I'm gonna use the shade Grace by George Cosmetics. For my skin shade is amazing, and all the highlighters by George Cosmetics are very pigmented, by the way. So I'm gonna apply using this brush by George Cosmetics. Oops, no. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply just a little bit. I love this makeup look. I really like how this look turned out. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. I was playing with the colors, so I didn't think about which combination of colors I'm gonna use today, and this is the look that I came out, so don't judge me if you don't like it. But let's be real, I like it. It's a little crazy and out of the box because I really love neutral eyeshadows, but sometimes it's very good to change a little bit. What is left in the brush, I like to apply here in between the brows as well, because I don't know, it's complements. Oh my god. And now I'm gonna move on to my lips again. I think I'm gonna use this one because it's the most different and I think will match with the eyes. So I'm gonna apply this product in my lips. Don't forget to spread it out with your fingers. I have my lips very dry, especially right now because it's cold here. But look this effect. Very different though. And this is the look that I came out. I like it so much. I think I kind of like this look. It's out of the box for me because I also love neutral eyeshadows, neutral shades, and a more nude lipstick. But this look, I kind of like it. It's very fun and different. So that's it for today's look. Now I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts about this whole collection. So this collection is a new launch from BH Cosmetics, and I have to say that I really love the highlights. These products are so good and every color are amazing. It gives a pretty effect in the eyes, but as you can see here, the shine is a little bit transparent. Is very beautiful, so I like these shadows to apply on top of a eyeshadow, not to use alone unless this is very pigmented. For me, the most pigmented eyeshadows are this silver shade, this gold right here, and this eyeshadow which is blue, and this is one of my favorite, by the way, because they are the most pigmented, and the other ones is just a little bit of shine. As you can see here, you can just see what is underneath, which is my lipstick shade, and this gives a beautiful effect. It's under the lights. Oh my god, you can see how it reflects in the lips. And what I like the most is that it lasts super longer. Even with the best makeup remover, it's very hard to take it off, especially the blue one. I feel like staying a little bit in the eyelid and in my hand as well, so I don't like a little bit of this, but the color are so pretty. These three shades right here are my favorite. So now I'm gonna talk about the brushes. I love how soft they are, how beautiful they are, because they are all pink, as you can see, with this little black matching with what is right in here, and here's the number of the brush. This is a very good brush and I really love how it feels applying the makeup in the skin. And now about the palette, I love this palette. It's very fun, it's very festival as the name says, but if you like of a more neutral looks and you think colorful shades are out of the box, you're not gonna like this palette, so don't buy it. But if you are like me, you like of colors, you like of change, even if neutrals are your favorite, you obviously can give it a try. Look the packaging, they are so colorful, so I love it so much. I think it's so beautiful. All of the shades are very fun and unique, and I really think you can give it a try, especially because it's very affordable. So that's it for today's look. This is what I think about this whole collection, and I really hope that you like it as well. So tell me in the comments if you like a review of these products that I receive from the brands, and I'm gonna start to do more often this kind of videos for you guys. So tell me in the comments what you want to see next in my channel as well. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like of this reveal, and I really hope that you like of this. Oh my god. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye.